What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Happy holidays to you. It is late December. A few nights ago, Santa dropped by for a visit, and by Santa, I mean my wife, and brought me a little present. So we're going to get into it. It's a 12-inch DeWalt Brushless XR 20-volt chainsaw. Oh man, let's open it up. So yeah, I got this DeWalt 12-inch compact chainsaw, tool only, 20-volt max brushless XR system. I didn't want to go to like the flex volt and stuff because I already have like a lot of this going on. So maybe I'll pick up like a 9 amp hour or something bigger for this if I feel I need it, but I didn't want to just switch batteries altogether. So like I've got these, they make some XR flex volt 60 or something, 40, 60, I don't know. But I chose the one that goes with what I'm already running. I'm not ready to jump ship yet. So let's see here. DeWalt. It's everywhere. 190 bucks. Obviously there was a sale when my wife picked this up. The local hardware store down the street does random sales on DeWalt stuff quite often. And so, yeah, we always take advantage of sales if we can. We're never in too big of a rush to just snag something if we know we can pick it up on a deal later. So patience is key in things like this. Why am I battling here? This is all cut. This should just be flipping open. We're gonna just continue to cut down the sides here, I guess. We have a theft issue at my local hardware store, where holy cow, this thing is packaged. As soon as you open up one layer of tape, then we're taped inside the inside flaps, preventing this from just hinging open like you'd like it to. So, some instructions. I highly recommend reading through those. That way you don't accidentally cut an arm off or something with your new chainsaw. Let's get this crap out of here. Fling it. Oh. Sorry, Rip. And there it is. After 6.5 hour battle of getting into the box. Here it is. So, looks like we've got lock and unlock, which could be, oh, that's for the oil. So it does take oil, which I don't have, so we'll have to look into the instruction. I mean, I have oil. I just don't know if I have oil for this. We'll have to dig into that and see what this thing takes for oil. DeWalt 20 volt unlock, and then trigger. So the trigger is locked. Push this in. 2 function. Okay. So out like this is locked, which means the chain won't spin. And then back like that, and she's ready to cut. Very cool. Blade guard, which is nice to have. And then XR brushless 12-inch chainsaw. Here's an adjustment for the bar in and out. And then here's chain tension. So a couple nice adjustment features there. So cool. I don't own a chainsaw, gas or otherwise. So this is a nice addition to my DeWalt lineup of things that I have. And then another reason we picked it up is we are going to carry this in the side-by-side for when we're out trailing. We've been to Moab, Utah. We've been to the Black Hills of South Dakota. We've been trailing in a number of places, and sometimes you come across a down tree or down limbs blocking the trail when you're out in the middle of nowhere. And if you don't have the right tools, you can't hook your winch to it and pull said downed tree or whatever it is out of the way. You just end up turning around and heading back the way you came because there's no way through. So this will change that. So 20 volt battery system. Again, it'll take a larger battery and I will probably pick one up just so I have it. And then let's go take a look and see if this thing fits in the bed of the side-by-side. Obviously it's going to, but you know, let's just take a look. We're making a video here. So that lighting's terrible, but oh, it's like perfect. Look at how perfect that fits. That lighting is absolute garbage. Does that give you a better look? Not really. But it fits perfect. Tailgate shut. Off to one side. Can't beat it. So that's pretty much gonna do it, man. Not a long video, obviously. Probably made it longer than it even needed to be. But DeWalt chainsaw, thanks to my wife for hooking me up with this for Christmas. And yeah, we'll definitely make use of this on the trails. I definitely have some things I can do here around the property with it also. So, awesome. That's going to do it. Happy holidays to you. New Year's coming. Big plans for New Year's Day, so stay tuned for that. Changes. New Year's Day changes. So, all right. I think that's going to do it. Ripley and I are going to go in the house. It's kind of cold out here. We'll see ya. Thanks.